Aggregate degradation proficiency samples 3 and 4 are currently being processed and packaged for shipping. The samples will be shipped to you on January 19th, 2023. Please note that Sample 3 and Sample 4 are shipped in separate boxes and will most likely arrive a few days apart. Upon receipt, carefully open the boxes and check to see if the samples were damaged in shipment or if they are missing a component. Use caution when opening the boxes, as a box cutter style knife may puncture the sample bags inside. For degradation rounds 3 and 4, there will be 2 different bags of material in each sample box. One of the bulk bags will contain approximately 11.5 kilograms of material that is 100% passing the 19 mm or 3/4 inch sieve. The second bulk bag will contain approximately 1.5 kilograms of material that is 100% passing the 2.36 mm or number 8 sieve. Each bag of material will need to be oven dried, washed in accordance with AASHTO T11 or ASTM C117, and then sieved into size fractions in accordance with AASHTO T27 or ASTM C136. Please treat these samples as you would treat typical testing samples that were brought into your laboratory. It should be noted that the sample materials provided will be enough to complete all of the testing when only performing one of the sulfate soundness tests. If your laboratory elects to perform both soundness tests via sodium and magnesium, you may be slightly short of material on one of the size fractions. If this occurs, please contact us and we will provide you with extra material. Finally, all pertinent information such as sample instructions, datasheets, and safety datasheets can be found on the AASHTO resource website in the Datasheets and Instructions page. Thank you for your continued commitment to quality, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.